Today I'm finally reviewing a brand you guys have been asking me because they're all over social media. ANGE. We're gonna start first with their titanium blush straightener because I want to see how well it basically sleeks my hair down because my hair is naturally straight, as you can see. But I mean, I still have a little bit of a bend in my hair and I want to see if it will sleek my hair. That's basically what I use a flat iron for if I do want to straighten my hair. And they do say that it works with a single pass. So basically kind of like the T3, the Bioionic, they have bold claims. So let's try the single pass. The one thing that bugs me is how much resistance there is. It's not gliding smooth through my hair at all. I think there's some kind of extra coating on it. I'm gonna compare the right side to my Conair Pro. This is under 40 bucks, also has titanium plates. I mean, you can even see how smoothly it goes through my hair. So number one, is it a single pass and how well does it work? It might be better at 450, which is their highest temp. I'm at around 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and for me personally, this is a mediocre job at best. Comparing it to the Conair flat iron, I have it set at the similar temperature, and with a single pass, it does a phenomenal job. They don't even claim this to be a single pass. It's just so good. And the second one is how smooth is it through your hair? This did create a lot of resistance, create a little bit of tugging in the hair, and then it added that little sound at the very end, meaning the plates are not as smooth and they have some kind of coating or something on top of the plates. And then the Conair, super smooth, glides through your hair like butter. It's a phenomenal tool. Number three, the price. This is what gets me, and it's a little frustrating to me. So this comes at $179 US, but they always hold sales that you can get this now for $88 US. To me, that screams private label or a white label, which means this product is actually not theirs that they designed. They just bought it from a manufacturer, either from China, wherever they manufacture hair tools, wherever this is from, and they get it for a discounted price, and then they slap their label on it, and then they charge $179 US. I have no problems with white labeling or private labeling products. Just don't overcharge for a product that is not worth it. This is not a $180 tool. I just showed you a far better tool with a far better price that does a far better job, and you guys saw it one-to-one. With that being said, I'm not trying to be negative here. I'm not trying to attack any brand, but I'm trying to be as honest as possible because there are so many products on the market out there, and so many of you have asked for me to review this product, and there are a lot of fishy things with this brand. For example, going on their website, look at their products. Every single product has a 5-star review. Not with just 1 or 2 reviews, thousands of reviews. And I don't mean just a couple products, every single product. I mean, that to me is super fishy. Let's see how well this bad boy curls. Man, this thing is so loud. It's making so much noise. I mean, you guys see all of that right there? It's not as smooth. The frizz is on a whole other level. All right, I'm gonna get the wand out and I wanna see how well this does. And already it feels so cheap. Just this little swivel cord. I wish it was a lot smaller. Something like this. Very low profile. Very small, very slim, it doesn't get in your way. Let's just curl our hair. Let's talk about the curling wand. How well did it perform? I think it did a good job the way a curling wand should. It's straight to the point. Let's talk about the temperature settings. There are no temperature settings. Once you turn it on, it's gonna heat up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's it. It doesn't give you control. GHD also does that, but they do it at an optimum temperature setting, which is at 365 degrees Fahrenheit. That I will take any day over this 410 degrees Fahrenheit, because it doesn't have any other technology in here. It's just an on-off button. I don't know how high it could even go, how low it can go, so I don't like that. And just overall the quality, the barrel is tourmaline ceramic coated, so that already is the lowest type of quality that you can get for a barrel. So for this tool that retails for 119 US dollars, no. It's on sale now for $27 on their website, which is 77% off. So that's already another huge red flag. If it was a great tool, it would speak for itself. It would not need crazy discounted prices. The Launch hair care brand, they are a luxury brand because of their prices, or they're trying to be. Do I think they're a luxury brand? No, they're not. I would put them closer to like Conair, Remington, Revlon hair tools, because they perform at that price range. The one thing I do want to say for the pros for the flat iron, I do like the packaging. I think it's great. I love the color. I think they did a beautiful job with that. The swivel cord is nice and low profile. It does a good job. There are far better plates out there in the market with titanium that are very smooth, that do a job beautifully for you, and it's not 180 US dollars. Why? And that completes my review, you guys. Do I recommend this brand? I recommend it when they do have really crazy sales, like their 77% off sales. And if these tools or products work for you, I really hope you didn't pay the full retail price like I did and you got them on sale. But for now, you guys, thank you so much for watching, spending time with me, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.